Back with another video. Enoch here, 777. Hope all is well. Stay out of the way, save, focus, and balance. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The title of the video is going to be about your vibration and the animals out there in nature. That is the title of the video. There is another way to be able to keep track and monitor your sexual energy, even with the chakra system, using the animals out there in nature. So let's say if your vibration is off, or even with the chakra system, if it is not fully activated, you get up, you go outside, right, and the animals is actually out there. With these animals, what is taking place is they are connected to the earth, and it's hard, but not only that, they operate on a certain type of frequency, the love frequency, right? So you go out there, right? If something is off, if it's low, not fully activated, what they will do is keep themselves a certain distance away from you, right? They will not come near you. Let's say if you activated the chakra system, you lifted your vibration, and you try this again, you go outside. What the animals will do is, if it is increased, if you are activated with the chakra system, what they will do is come up closer and closer and closer to you, right? And they will let you know. It's Enoch 777. Peace. I'm out.